We'll start with texture now. This is what it's going to look like when we're done. We just drywalled it. We put the corner beads in the mesh tape, and we're floating it out now. So this is what it looks like after we float it out. Then next we're going to, with this machine right here, we're going to do the texture. And right now I'm going to work on the fireplace. Put sheetrock this, and then float it out. Basically, we have all the sheetrock just about done. Okay, thank you for watching my video.